Good morning, Nick F and Pudgy. First and second in the chat today. You guys are the only ones in here right now. I love it, guys. Pudgy, good morning to you. Nick F, good morning to you. Pudgy is champion today. Let's go on over and see what the market is doing because AMC not doing too bad at all, guys. AMC top left sitting up almost 5% today. Look at this equity curve. Beautiful bottom left to upper right. Boom, baby. And some nice steady gains over about the last hour or so. AMC sitting at $13.67. Shiba Inu coin, slow. Shiba Inu coin being very slow on the morning. 1072, break even on the day. Really no trades whatsoever. GameStop sitting up 1.5%, $148.52. Redbox, my goodness. Redbox pulling back a little bit from the morning highs, but I am telling you, this stock never stops. Redbox is hitting some massive levels here, touching 1125 on the day, gapping up big time today. This level of resistance we had on here, we thought it was going to use it as a level of resistance. We said if it does, we expect a pullback. If it doesn't, we expect a breakout. A breakout is exactly what we got here this morning, and sitting at $10.17, $10.16 at the moment right now. Pull it back a little bit on the day, but my goodness, after that gap up, how could you not expect a little bit of a pullback there intraday? NASDAQ doing very well, up 1/3% right now. GameStop, Bior Therapeutics, 77.7 cents. Little red candle there, 77 cents, up 1.37% on the day. Ethereum and Shiba, both slightly green. Bitcoin, slightly red, 30,453. Bitcoin still unable to make up its mind on where it wants to go. Does it stay above 30,000? Does it go below 30,000? We've got a little channel forming here. We will find out. Mullen Auto sitting down 2% on the day. Barcode, my goodness. This is a barcoding stock, guys. For anybody that wants to know what a stock looks like when it's barcoding, this is exactly it right here. Trading between $1.32 and $1.31. Just back and forth, hitting those bid and asks. CEI sitting at 60 cents, down 1% on the day. The SPY is barely break even right now, sitting 0.18% lower. BBIG losing about 0.25%, $2.09. Highcroft Mining, $1.36. Netflix up 4% today. Netflix may have found a bottom in that $200 range. Netflix bouncing off 162, currently all the way back up to 206. And like we say, man, Redbox is soaring, flying. Redbox having a wonderful morning so far. Buenos dias, mi vida mina. Buenos dias, Juana Silva. Juana, glad to have you in here again. And buenos dias for sure. Nick F in the chat, baby. Rocket, what's going on, Rocket? Remy, you must have rented another movie from Redbox, Clay. Remy, I did, and I moved their profit all the way up, so their stock is up 18% on the day. I single-handedly am saving Redbox, ladies and gentlemen, single-handedly providing all of their revenue. I'm the only one that uses Redbox. Might be true. 22,000 super Bitcoin. Jackson Jacobs, man, wouldn't doubt it. If it breaks that $30,000 line, I'm even calling prices as low as $10,000. So we'll see what happens there. Eternal King Toad. Good afternoon to you, my friend. How about that IMPP? Keith is making some money on IMPP. What is it up, man? 15% today. Where's it at? IMPP. Where are you? Even higher, man. It was 60 cents when I looked at it earlier. Sitting at 78 cents right now. My goodness. IMPP up 32% today. Keith is killing it on IMPP, man. Nice run from 38 cents to 78 cents. Let's see. I think you still got a little bit of room, man, before you hit a major. I mean, this area in here, this dollar, 90 cents to $1. Is the major level of resistance. Be a little bit more conservative if you want, but shoot, dude, up 31% right now. I know you're watching these gains right here. I know you're thinking, dude, if it would just go back up to $9 a share, oh my. I don't even know where that went. I don't even know where that went. Off the charts, man. Imagine if it does go back up to $9 a share, dude. Keith, you riding it all the way up, or what are you doing there, man? I don't know if you're going to ride it all the way up or not. Don't make me nervous, because that's some massive gains already that you've already seen. Hopefully you're able to keep all of those. Now, I got to figure out where Oh, come on, man. I don't even know where the graphs went. Oh, come on. We're messing everything up. All right, let's find the chart. All right. No. Give me a chart. Yeah. Oh, we got to fix this before. You guys can see that chart, right? Can you? Let's see. I don't even know if you can. Doesn't seem like you can. What do you guys got? You guys got nothing. I got to figure out what the heck happened here. Add widgets. Yes, you guys can't see that. Chart, absolutely. We want the chart. Bring it in here. Can you guys see it in here? Ah, oh, come on. Weeble, what are you doing, man? Stop. Why does it always do this to me? No. Oh, I don't know why it's got to do this to me. All right, let's actually, let's see if we can close this and reopen it. We're going to go big screen for a minute here. All right, perfect. We're going to close this. I don't know why it's got to do this. I don't know why it's got to do. Hey, look, it's a little me and a big me. Nice. Let's see if we can get Weeble back up here. Just making sure you're not being scammed or hacked. Good deal. Me. Ah, it doesn't do it, man. This is going to be great. Maybe. We got that? All right, I think we're good. Hold on. Now we got to go Weeble. Yeah. Weeble. No. Hold on. No. Okay, cool. And boom! Brought him back. Alright, good deal. Now we're out here. Man, that was way more difficult than it should have been. Glad you guys stuck around for all that nonsense. But we are back now. My gosh. Now we go full Weeble. Boom! Perfect. Now we're on full Weeble here. Thank you for bearing with me on that. I know that was tragic. IMPP right here, rolling higher. I don't know where the quotes are, the price is there. We have to fix that a little bit later. Quotes, I don't want that. Actually, let's see. No, not going to work there. Is it going to do it? No, it's not going to do it. Alright, forget it. We're just going to go chart. We're just going to go chart for now. I can figure all that crap out later. Alright, where are we at here? Let's go back to the customized view before we ruin everything. Okay. Customized view before we ruin everything. Now we're back in here. Good to go. Oh, cute. Yeah, dude, I almost did it, man. I almost did it. What did I just join? JB. A mess is what you just joined, man. Glad to have you in here, though. Sold most of my Luna yesterday before it crashed more. Sold for a loss, but sometimes you got to X before it gets worse. I didn't lose a lot, though. Hey, Caesar. Exactly right, man. Now, if you want to average in even lower, you definitely can. GameStop starting to roll, though, guys. GameStop sitting up here on a nice green candle. AMC getting a nice green candle. AMC's up 6.7% after gaining 10% yesterday. AMC rolling up to $14 per share. GameStop well above $150 per share right now. Redbox still up 20% on the day. Looking good there, man. We get some good green stocks on the day right now. I'm liking the action we're seeing here. That is... Okay, I want to move this over. I want that there. Yes. All right, perfect. Sorry to hear it, Crypto. Crypto said, darn, my little brother was cleared of cancer and now is back and spreading a lot. Oh, my gosh. Crypto Racketeer, is this your brother? What was his name? Steven? Is this your brother that was hanging out with you a couple months back or whenever it was? What's up, Clever Up family? We'll be busting down on AMC highs for the day. Let's get it. AMC Trapper. We're going to be knocking doors down, man. Hitting highs and highs and highs on GameStop and on AMC, man. Two beautiful green candles here. Lovely gain going on with AMC there. I like the action we've got going on so far. Hey, bro, have a Zcash on your graphs. You just play all the videos. Yeah, Sam Demand, dude. Zcash is over here on this view. You can see Zcash down here at the very bottom of the screen. Down a little bit today with the overall crypto market. But no, I'm not going to put it on the customized chart. Not as many people look at Zcash, so we're going to keep the more popular ones over on the left-hand side. I got a share of Amazon. I wish I could buy more. Yeah, Caesar, man. Everybody always wishes they could buy more, dude. Trust me, you're not alone in that feeling. Everybody always wants more. Good morning, all you glorious apes. What a beautiful day in the neighborhood. AMC, GME, ATER. Dude, ATER up 10+% today, too, right? Looking good today. Shorts are fearful and add to their short positions. Moon soon, ladies and gentlemen. Moon soon. We've got some massive green candles coming in. Right is Mr. Gensler. It is noon right now. Mr. Gensler must be talking at the moment. Or just started talking. I don't know if he's talking yet or not, but he was scheduled to start talking at noon today, and we are getting a run in these stocks at noon today. So I wonder what he's saying. I hold the Dreamer coin. Shib, Lunk, Crow, and Dot. Shane, nothing wrong with being a dreamer, man. Sometimes those dreams come true. Like, QQ would have fixed everything for you. Yeah, right, dude. QQ would have destroyed everything, would have stopped the stream. I'd have to restart the stream, then I'd lose a notification. Yeah, it would be terrible, Nick Yath. It would have been terrible. Yeah, Steven. Yeah, man. Well, hopefully Steven does okay, dude. Cancer's no good, dude. Cancer's no good. You guys clearly know that. But hopefully that dude stays strong and you guys are close, man. Saitama holders are ticked off because airdrops were supposed to be complete last night by midnight, but only whales got their airdrops. Dude, Remy, every single date, has Saitama ever had a date where things went fine? Like, I don't think they have. Every single release they've done has seen negative attention, and I don't know why they keep doing this to themselves. Crypto Racketeer, keep them upbeat and positive. My mom always said that the smile and good vibes was the best medicine. Nice, Pudgy. Yeah, dude. Definitely the best that you can be. Rocket in the chat, man. What's going on? Clay, what's your dad's thoughts on the housing market 12 to 24 months out? I don't know what his thoughts are on the housing market too much. I don't think he's actually selling some of his houses right now, so I would imagine that he has a feeling that the prices are going to be coming down a little bit. But I also agree, man. Look, I also agree. If the next 12 to 24 months, if inflation remains high and they keep raising interest rates, I think we're going to see no other option but for prices to come down to kind of alleviate those higher interest rates. So something that somebody would have been paying $500,000 for right now, there's a very good chance that they're going to be paying $300,000 for it in the next 12 to 24 months if interest rates go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7%. It will affect the housing market, especially the prices. I don't know if it's going to lead to any foreclosures or not, but prices would have to come down if interest rates go up. Said Zcash was good for you. Zcash is good for me, man. Freaking sold Team 6. What now? How high do you think Crow can go? And can it be to $5? So, Jackson Jacobs. Can Crow go to $5? I don't know what the current market cap is. I know it was pretty high when Crow was sitting at $1. Okay, so they got 25 billion Crow outstanding. The max supply is 30 billion. Can it go to $5? Yeah, go to $5. $5 is going to give it about $130 billion market cap. I don't think that that's impossible, man. More people start using Crypto.com. I do believe that Crow can go to $5. Will it? I don't know, but I think it's a possibility. AMC, go, 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 go. Yes, Kalani, 4-month member chat. Good, bad news. Broke even on Cardano. Still down $2,700. Hey, dude, you can make that money back up, though. $2,700. I know it's tough, but this bear market that we're in right now is absolutely ridiculous. And no doubt in my mind that one of these days, man, one of these days, we're going to be looking back and saying, dang, that was the final dip. That was the last dip that we had an opportunity to buy. And we're going to start rolling from there. So I'm hoping for that day sooner rather than later. I got $2 in my Weeble. What should I buy? $2 in his Weeble. Ladies and gentlemen, we got $2 in Weeble account. What should we buy? Somebody help Caesar out. I don't know what he should buy with $2. Anybody else got an idea what Caesar should buy with $2 there? You want full share? Do you want a full share of something, or do you want a partial share of something, Caesar? You gotta be maybe a little bit more specific, guys. Get your recommendations out in the chat right now. Darn stray cat just peed on my flower pot outside the front door, and now my cats are mad. I don't blame them. Yeah, Cassie, I wouldn't blame them either. Come on now. Redbox posting a red candle there. Very fitting. Red box, red candle. Interesting. Is this going to be the start of a fall? We're going to find out if this is the start of the fall or not. 997. Oh my gosh. Redbox pulling back. Still up 16.5% on the day, ladies and gentlemen. Redbox is just soaring today. But from yesterday, bought 3,600 Shib tokens. Nice, Remy. $3,600 or literally just 3,600 Shib token. Good morning, everybody. Paul Wright, good morning to you. It may have been Danelle's cat. There's actually a better chance that it was Danelle's cat than just some random stray. Danelle is the proud owner of literally at least 2% of the cats in the entire United States. Got $11 and what? What should I buy? Swole Team 6. I don't know what you should buy, man. Antonio Diaz. So please, could you say something about Wrapped Luna? Yeah, Antonio. Well, hold on, Wrapped. Are we talking Wrapped Luna, like a Wrapped 2.0 now? Or are we talking a Wrapped Lunk, like a Wrapped Luna Classic? Which one are you talking? A banana for Clay, DD214. Thank you very much, man. Farmy YOLO, $2. They have one day to get to $1. JB, good news is they are at $1 right now. They've just got to stay above $1 for the next 24 hours or 48 hours, whatever it is. But it's true, man. It's true. You could get share and a half of Farmy right now. Don't stop believing. I think we can. Okay, I lied, but it sure feels good to say it out loud. Hey, look, Shiba Inu at 8,800. Everyone has money again. Oh, hey, dude, one day we will be saying, look, Shiba Inu coin hitting an all-time high again, though, and then everybody will have money again. 3,600 tokens, about 10 cents worth. Nice, Remy. Nice. That's what I'm talking about, man. 3,600 tokens. Well, dude, hopefully it goes to $1 for him, and then he can make 3,600 bucks. Did you change your deck belt? Oh, I was like, who's this guy talking to? Did I change my deck belt? What's a deck belt? Hood is the only YouTuber I trust. Oh, and Johnny Love. Swole Team 6, man. I think that's a good thing. Might be a bad thing. I don't know, but I think it's a good thing. Swole, thank you. Realistically, as of right now, with circulation of Lunk, as it is now, what is the highest price it could reach? Weird Wolf Gaming. I don't know what the highest price it could reach is, right? But if we talk about the current supply and market cap, if it goes to a penny, we're going to have all-time high market caps in Luna Classic. It's going to give it about a $6.5 billion, $60.65 billion valuation. And the previous all-time high was like $40 to $50 billion, or somewhere in that range. So a penny would give it a valuation higher than it ever had before. Not impossible, though. Not impossible to get to a penny, man. We saw Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin run to similar valuations. So I do think it's possible. But there will be people that sell at 0.009, 0.0095, 0.0099, trying to get out right before it does hit that 1 cent mark. So be a little skeptical and a little cautious when you start getting up there, or if we start getting up there. But if you're talking, 10 cent valuation, 10 cent price point with the current shares outstanding, that's a 600. You're talking levels around the price of Bitcoin and, max Ethereum prices. So I would say that's also possible, but not probable in the least. So, hey man, if the overall crypto market starts to turn right now, if something wild happens, like, government starts passing out more checks and just says, forget about inflation, then we could see a massive influx into crypto and stocks. And unfortunately, it'll destroy the dollar, but stocks and cryptos will be rolling. And if that's the case, I do think we could see something along the lines of these ridiculously high valuations. Dominoes keep falling into place. Seems like every day some hedge fund is losing money or closing up shop. New regulations to improve market transparency and squeeze catalyst galore. One crazy summer. Frodo. And we've got Gary Gensler talking today about a potential overhaul with payment for order flow. What are your guys' thoughts? I don't want to pay commission. I don't want to pay commission on every single one of my trades. I don't. What do you guys think? Would you rather pay a $5 commission for every time you buy and every time you sell? I'm thinking about Remy's friend that just spent 10 cents on Shiba Inu coin. He would have to spend $5.10 to buy that 10 cents worth of Shiba Inu coin. He'd have to spend $5.10 to sell that Shiba Inu coin. So all of a sudden he's got to 10x. He's got 100x his investment before he breaks even, just to cover the commission on that one. So what are you guys' thoughts on going back to commission if Robinhood, because Robinhood's going to go bankrupt if they don't have payment for order flow. And then I would imagine all of the brokers that do use payment for order flow would be going bankrupt as well. 70% of your revenue comes from payment for order flow. Yeah, you're going to need a new revenue source. Click! I put a tweet when we were at 1338 saying that we were about to cross over on the 4-hour 1348. Last time it was 27.5, and we went from 12-ish to 1665. Last time was 27.5. What do you mean 27.5? Crypto Racketeer, what do you mean 27.5? I understand I know what you're talking about with the 1348, but last time was 27.5. Or are you talking date, May 27th? Oh, you might be talking the date, right? May 27th? I think that's what you're talking about. Just writing it backwards for me. I think that's what you're saying there. Yeah. Okay, Crypto Racketeer. Sorry about that, man. I know you guys write your dates like that, day first, then month, but I'm used to seeing month, then day. So, May 27th, yeah. Dude, look, dude, yeah, moving average crossovers are sweet, dude. It shows you where the momentum is, and as momentum's picking up. So, I hope that anybody that is trading those moving average crossovers makes some money. Look, put your stop losses on there if you guys want. And trade it. Just because you're getting a good entry doesn't mean you got to sit on it forever. And there's nothing wrong with trading those shares if you are jumping in, trying to make a profit, and jumping back out. Hey, what's up, brother? Gary, what's going on, man? Clay, if the new rule from the SEC causes the squeeze to pop off, I won't care about paying. Yeah, Frodo, that's what I was kind of saying in the video last night, is that I won't care about paying commission on that either. But if it doesn't, I will be mad. If the new rule doesn't cause the squeeze, and all that ends up happening is we're out there paying $4.95 per trade again, that's gonna suck. That's gonna hurt retail even more, in my opinion. Is Robinhood going to list Doge on Mars? I highly doubt it, Dustin. But I could be wrong, but I highly doubt it. Awesome live stream today. No trafficking robots offering a half price. Yeah, I love it when we're remaining PG-13 in the chat. Me too, John J. Gotta get rid of all these robots in here. A lot of meetings today. Gotta run. JB, enjoy your day, man. I don't know why people get so many meetings. Meetings are useless, but I hope you get something out of them. If it creates more transparency and possibly less dark pool activity. It doesn't mean that it would create any less dark pool activity. You would still be, the market makers would still be routing your trades any way that they want to route your trades. It would just mean that they can't compete. They're not necessarily competing. Or giving a kickback to the brokers. Dude, you mentioned this, and then they show up. So it doesn't necessarily mean that they would be routing your trades through anything other than the dark pools or anything like that. It simply means that brokers couldn't get a kickback by routing their orders through a market maker that is willing to pay them to do it. It would simply be a bidding process, is what Gary Gensler was kind of trying to push there. 4 hours, a bit different than 3 minutes. 4 hours is a lot different than 3 minutes. Yeah, it's a much longer time frame than a 3-minute chart. But still, nonetheless, if you're looking at the 4-hour chart, you could run up to $16, $17. But then by the time it crosses back over to the downside, it might cross back over to the downside at $12, $10. I don't know where it would cross, but That's what you got to worry about if you're playing the longer term. You get bigger swings. Yes, it's nice when we stay like that, John Jay. And speak of the devil, there it is. Hedge funds are actively managed investment pools. Yeah. Managers use a wide range of strategies, often including buying with borrowed money and trading esoteric assets in an effort to beat average investment returns for their clients. And you know what the funny thing is, Remy? The funny thing is, nobody ever beats the average. They don't beat. On average, hedge funds lose out to the market every single year. And for some reason, we all think that we can beat the market. So we all go out and try to beat the market. And then on average, we don't, man. The market always wins. The market always wins. Is holding Shiba and Doge on March for 5 to 10 years a good move? Dustin, it's not a bad move, okay? But here's what I would say. I don't plan on necessarily just holding for the next, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, or anything like that. I don't have a problem holding on to it. But if I see some sort of a ridiculous, unsustainable move to the upside, if we 4x, 5x, 10x, and the overall crypto market is up 50%, and we're up 1,000%, I don't see that as necessarily a sustainable move, and I see a lot of profit taking that's probably going to come. I will be one that takes profit during that time. I will not just be sitting there holding on to that move and hoping that it doesn't come back down. If we got something that outpaces the market, I will be taking advantage of it. Weeble Broker, though. Yeah, I like Weeble, man. Tom Skoog, thank you very much for the super chat. Tom, if you got a chat or if you got a message, man, please get it out there. Never want to miss anything, but thank you very much for sending that super chat. If you want to shout out to Tom. If Tom's got a question, guys, please make sure I see Tom's question. Yes, Clay, they would have to bid for the order flow, which means there's more of a chance to get routed to a lit exchange, or at the very least, not the same dark pool. Well, I guess it depends on who's paying, right? If one of the market makers that is routing through a dark pool, and they know that they're going to be able to make X amount of dollars, they're going to be able to bid up to X amount of dollars and still turn a slight profit. So if they've got a better profit potential than guys that are running it through a lit exchange, they're going to be able to outbid them every time. And in that case, it might even get a little worse. Warren Buffett and Nancy Pelosi's husband beat the market consistent. All right, well, Nancy Pelosi's husband is a different breed. Nobody can beat Nancy Pelosi's husband, not even the market. That dude is just on another level. He's like Super Saiyan. That's why we like the anomaly, or the one who wins against the grain. Yes, it is, man. That's exact. I like somebody that tries. Hey, bro. I live in Kansas City, Missouri. A giant tornado overhead developed at 2 a.m. this morning. The sky sounded like a train horn blowing. House was shaking. Crazy, scary. Bounced. My gosh. John Jay, man. Everybody okay, though, right? Didn't destroy anybody's house in the neighborhood or kill anybody, for lack of a better term. Was it a bad thing, or did everybody make it out okay? I know it can be scary, but there's a difference in being scary and destructive. Wonder what happens to Lunk is if the vote is successful. John, you talking the vote to burn with transaction taxes, or what are you talking about? Just for clarification, I'm not trading AMC people. In fact, I have never once traded the 1348. Just like to follow the future reference. Make sure everyone knows I am not trading AMC, Clay. Yeah, Crypto Racketeer. No problem at all, man. No problem at all. Crypto Racketeer is not trading AMC. But, if you do partake in options or whatever, or, if you've got your holding AMC, and you want to add some more shares or whatever, or trade some more shares or whatever, I know a lot of people are using that 1348. Does seem like a very good entry. Do you have an exit strategy, though? Because the exit strategy is probably more important than the entry strategy. Yeah, Scary used to live in Kansas City, and a tornado took out a bunch of fancy mansions like 2 miles away from it. My gosh, Cassie. Yeah, tornadoes are nuts, man. We get tornadoes here in Ohio every once in a while, but nothing that is just trees knocked over. You know what I mean? I've never seen anything horrific. Imagine the guy who keeps posting Negative HD every day starts learning about crypto from Clay and he becomes rich. The irony, yes, and he no longer has to sell his body online, but he's selling coins. He's selling Negative HD coin and making a ton of money. Good afternoon, Clay. A little late to the party today. What are you thinking of these ups and downs? Zachary, we talking in AMC and GameStop? We talking something else? I listen, I like the left-hand side of the screen here. I like the green that we're seeing, man. Red box coming back down a little bit. That's okay. AMC sitting up nice, 7% of the day. GameStop up and back down, was up to $152. Back down to $148, $149. Still up 1.5% on the day. I think a lot of people are reacting to Gary Gensler talking right now about the potential overhaul of payment for order flow. Went outside to see, and then ran into the basement. John Jay, dang, man. I'm glad you're okay, though, for real, John Jay. Wouldn't that suck if John Jay just disappeared and nobody knew what happened to him and a tornado came? Like, I'm glad you're okay, man. Yes, Clay. What's your take on Wrapped Luna and the 2.0 smart contract fiasco? Do you think could get pegged to 2.0? So Jim from Wales, I do think that anything that is a wrapped version of the token, so if it's a wrapped version of 2.0, I do think that it's going to be pegged to 2.0. If you're talking wrapped Luna Classic or something getting pegged to 2.0, no, I don't see that happening. I see a distinct difference between what's going on with Luna 2.0 and what's going on with Luna Classic. I would to understand why the XRP signing with all of this stuff. Please explain why the price is not up more. I am new to this stuff. SJ Klaus, XRP signing with all this stuff. What do you mean XRP signing with all this stuff? You mean XRP and the lawsuit that they've got going on with the SEC? I don't know if I understood signing there. So what's going on with Ripple right now, or XRP, is the fact that the SEC claims that it's a security, and they're trying to say they're not a security, and so on. And it's, it's going to be a historic case to see who can regulate centralized cryptocurrencies and things like that. But I don't think that we've seen an outcome of that suit yet. Remy, thank you. Google more questions, and then I can join you here. Nice, man. Just a side note, friends. My Molly NFT and Meta Nightclub NFT investments are doing well. Both have staking rewards. Molly is becoming the first digital influencer, and Meta Nightclubs are almost open. Dude, those Molly NFTs are crazy. A digital influencer. Very interesting. That's a good way to put it. I haven't seen it put that way. I think that this Molly could be a digital influencer, man. I think that Molly could easily gain followers. Sam, never unjoin Clay. We need you here. Yes, we do, Sam. We do. Emma D, don't retract your message. Come on now. Okay, let's stay. Good deal. Sam Demand. Perfect. Good evening, Clay and everyone. Spooky Walls, Portsmouth. My gosh, Sarah DeStecroy. Why change the name? There she goes. Good evening, Clay and everyone. Sarah DeStecroy. Changing the name back. I like it. How do I fix that? Tasmanian Apollo. Is it just me? Tasmanian, man. I didn't see what you said before. No audio. I think it is just you, man. I think it is just you. Says my audio is working, so I don't know. E-Trade called and asked me to re-enter my Redbox holdings in their fully paid lending program. I have 3,500 shares, and they say I would make $359 a day. Link is on my E-Trade account. What is that about? So Tom Skoog, very good question. You have 3,500 shares of Redbox. Let me see if that math works out. I don't know if you would, so let's see. Calculator. Let's just say it's at $10 a share. Does anybody know the borrow rate on Redbox right now? 35,000. 350 what? 359 divided by 1% a day. $375%. Well, actually, let me put it this way, since I don't know what the borrow rate. Okay. Tom, if the borrow rate actually is over 800% right now, the numbers right there that you gave me, you would only need a borrow rate of about 375%. So if the borrow rate was about 375%, yes, you could make about $300 a day loaning those shares out. But what that means, man, is you are loaning them to somebody who is likely shorting them. So here's your pros and cons to that. And this is completely up to you whether or not you want to do it. As an owner of those shares, you have the opportunity to lend those shares out. Now, normally, if you lend those shares out and the borrow rate's 1 or 2%, you're making a 1 or 2% annualized interest rate. That's extremely low, okay? I mean, you have to weigh the pros and cons there. You know, you'd be lending them out to somebody who is likely to short them and likely to drive the price lower, but you are, making that interest rate. Redbox. If the borrow rate really is 800, I think you only need about 375% average borrow rate to hit that $350 a day. So you would be making about 1% a day on that, and it's paid daily, okay? So if you had $35,000 in Redbox and you loaned those shares out, what you're doing is loaning them to somebody who is likely to short them. And if they are shorting them, it's likely to drive the stock price lower. So you will likely lose a little bit from where we're at here on these prices that we're currently seeing. The stock price may come down a little bit, but you're going to be receiving that 300+% gain that you would, that would result in you making $300 a day. So pros and cons, man, you're getting that interest rate. That interest rate is not guaranteed. It's going to flux. It's going to be variable. Tomorrow it could be a lot lower. Tomorrow it could be a lot higher. And then one of the cons are you're most likely providing them to a short seller. So at that point, one of two things is going to happen, man. They're going to dig themselves into a deeper hole. And if people keep buying, it's going to offset the cost going down. And you're still making that $350 a day. And the stock price is going to go up if people keep jumping on and jumping on. Or if everybody decides to join in and, it allows for just this endless cycle of shorting, the stock price may continue to come down and it may offset. You may lose more than $350 a day because the stock price is coming down, 10 cents? 10 cents a day then, right? 10 cents a day would give you about that $200 and $350. So if the stock price drops that 10 cents, right, 10 cents times the 3,500. Yeah, so if the stock price comes down, and I don't think it's going to come down simply because you lent those shares out, but if the stock price comes down, you're going to be losing that $350 a day. But not a bad way to hit some money there if you don't mind lending your shares out. Well, he's already had some collaborations with brands that are paying the team for influencer status to advertise their products. Half the profits from this, the team will be sweeping the floor. My God. Frodo, isn't that ridiculous, dude? Isn't that ridiculous that we've got fake people, like a digital influencer now, that companies are coming. If you've got a follower, if you've got followers, man, you can do something. I think it's crazy that these computer-generated art, or just this art, is becoming an influencer now. What's the difference between Redbox and Redbox? I don't know. That just might be listed on a Canadian exchange or something. I don't know. These might be warrants. I don't know. These might be warrants or something to buy the stock at a future date. This might be some type of derivative. I'm not exactly sure what this one is. It might be some sort of a derivative. Like you can buy Redbox at a later date if you've got RDBXW. But I haven't looked into RDBXW, so I don't know what it is. Alright, where are we at here? Go back to the custom view. Alright, we're right here. Man, we are still rolling. Redbox 994 though. Tom Scoop, thanks for the info, Clay. Appreciate you. RDVX and AMC to the moon, buddy. Are gonna pass on the fully PD. Listen, like you say, man, it's completely up to you though, because you will be hitting that interest rate. All you're doing, and look, there's no judgment here if you want to make your $350 a day. It's your money, dude. It's your money, and I can guarantee you, your 3,000 shares. Your 3,000 shares aren't going to upset the grand scheme of a squeeze or anything like that. So, if you want to take advantage of the ridiculous borrow rates and make some money, you do you, man. You do you. But 3,000 shares I don't think is going to stop a squeeze if they can get their hands on an extra 3,000 shares or anything like that. But just keep in mind that that's what it is. And it's like, it's legit. You can go out there and loan your shares out for money. They need to get these shares, so that's why they're willing to pay. And if the short sellers are willing to pay that borrow fee, they're giving it to you, man. Zachary, thank you for the super chat. Magic 8 Ball. Will ADA blast their resistance this round? Let's go. Zachary wants to know, will Cardano, symbol ADA, blast through levels of resistance this time around? And the Magic 8 Ball says, come on. All right, it says ask again later. Hold on. You guys can see it. It says ask again later. So I'm going to ask it in 30 seconds. I'm going to ask it again in 30 seconds, Zachary. We'll find out in 30 seconds. Sam Demand. Nope. Happily married. Nice. Sarah Stick Roy. SJ Klaus. I'll ask about Cardano again after this super chat right here. What I meant was, I keep hearing that these banks are taking in XRP, so wondering why it does not go up. Is it because, yes, that SJ Klaus, man, that would be my answer to why it's not going up, dude. I think that Ripple I think they got a great idea, and I think there's a lot of demand, and there's a huge need for improving the global financial system and the way money is exchanged internationally. Dude, if they can pull it off, I think they're going to have a huge future ahead of them. But right now, this lawsuit that is looming over them with the SEC, it's going to be a deciding factor on what happens and what Ripple and what XRP are. And it could be devastating if the suit goes in favor of the SEC. So a lot of people, man, they're just sitting on the edge of their chairs waiting for it to be over. And I would expect a massive rally if it's decided in the favor of Ripple. All right, we are asking again. Will Cardano, symbol ADA, bounce through these levels or bust through these levels of resistance this time around? Magic 8 Ball says, ooh. Hey, Zachary, man, I might be a little bit more conservative because the Magic 8 Ball, my sources say no. My sources say no. It's not going to bust through on this next attempt. So I would watch out for that one. Hey, Magic 8 Ball has spoken, my friend. It is said my sources say no. So I'd watch out. Be a little bit more conservative if you can. Let's see. Mr. Simon, you got to find Pringle Tootsies. Pringle, what? Pringle Me Glee? What is going on now? The Simpsons show XRP as future crypto. Well, shoot. John Jay, man. I think it's a possibility. I really like what they're doing. I think that the SEC should probably start to regulate some other, scams before they jump in and regulate actual companies like that. But that's what they do, man. They regulate companies. So, well, that's tomorrow. Let's get it. Me neither, Sam Demand. I didn't see what Sam Demand said. Simon, okay. Look, I'm not. Good deal, guys. Good deal. Gary is speaking live. Is Gary Gensler speaking live right now? He was supposed to start speaking an hour ago. I don't know if we've got Gary live anywhere or not. Let's see. I don't know. Yeah, but let's see. Gosh, man. Look at this here. You type in Gary Gensler live, you know what you get? Your buddy Matt Kors showing up at the top right there. Nice. Matt Kors. We should stream Matt Kors streaming Gary Gensler. That's what we should do. Now, I don't know where he's speaking right now, so I don't know if you guys want to try and watch it or not, but I don't know. My ban payment for order flow. The dude, yes, he might. That dude, he might try to ban payment for order flow. I don't know. Was that financial advice from the Magic 8 Ball? Dude, if you want to take financial advice from the Magic 8 Ball, I say go for it. As long as you know where you're getting it from. It doesn't really matter what XRP does. XLM has already won the bids for the preferred blockchain to run USDC on. Emma D knows her stuff. Emma D likes XLM. Stellar Lumens, ladies and gentlemen. 710K, or you can go to the club and pick what? Do that. You live close to me? Colorado. Yeah, man. Simon Eno lives all over the place. Colorado, California. Let's get it. Plenty of fish in the sea, man. Claybro did not give out financial advice. Magic 8 Ball, however, is here to help. Mark L. You guys know it already. The Magic 8 Ball is always here to help. I don't know where Danelle's at, but Danelle, thank you for the Magic 8 Ball. Click, you had to register to watch it. Might be too late now. Mr. Simon, gotcha. Yeah, it could be. Quick Google search didn't show anything up on where I can watch him. I'm going to tell you what, man, I probably wouldn't be terribly interested in what's going on right now anyway. But thank you for letting me know, Simon, that you had to be pre-registered. Paul, first in the chat, man. I don't know if you're first in the chat, Paul. It's all right. How's that Shib Trash Losing Junk doing? Malone, the Shib Trash Losing Junk's doing okay today. Shib Trash Losing Junk is holding its ground, only down 0.37%. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is down 2.5%, and Ethereum is down 1%. So Shiba Inu coin actually holding up a little bit better than Bitcoin and Ethereum today. Bitcoin coming back down to retest that $30,000 level. My goodness, somebody needs to do something and get Bitcoin to go somewhere other than this $30,000 level. My goodness. Yeah, we should wait till it comes down here, buy in, and then it'll finally break through and come back down to the downside. So crazy. Meanwhile, Redbox still sitting up pretty high today. 17, almost 18% higher, $10.07 right now. Little level of support in this area. Let's see if we can get a line on here. Little level of support in this area right here, so we can watch Redbox do its thing and see if it bounces off or ends up breaking down through that $9.90 level. What? Yes, bone to the moon. Whatever that moon. Yeah, bone to the moon. No, man, I hope everything goes to the moon. I don't own any bone. I'm not a bone owner. I'm not a bone. What? So I do hope that it goes up for everybody that does have it. Malone, how's your rash doing? Oh my gosh. Shiba not trash, but I sold it all for Zcash. Ooh, Sam Demand going in on Zcash. Sans too bad. Better cancel your Lambo order. No! Well, look, Zcash can still go up. I mean, you can still hit a 2 to 3x gain on Zcash. No problem there. But I did not sell all my Shiba and go into Zcash. I still own my Shiba Inu coin. I do own Zcash as well. But definitely still have my Shiba Inu coin there. Guys, GameStop falling down a little bit right now. Was it $152? Just 153 flat a couple of minutes ago. Coming back already down to $144. So I don't think that Bitcoin and maybe not AMC are enjoying what your buddy Gary Gensler is saying there. AMC had a wonderful morning going up to $14.10. Back down to $13.60 right now. And in the meantime, GameStop back down to $144. So, not sure they're exactly liking what Gary Gensler's got going on. What is that stock doing that was... Oh, where is it at? That stock that was up like 50% yesterday. Or no, 150% yesterday. Let's see where we are. What is this? I don't even know what stock that is. AERC, $10 a share. So it is coming back down a little bit. A little bit of a breather here. People taking some profits. Came back down to $9 and I don't know what. What does it show it here? $9.25 on the low for the day here for AERC. This is that stock that's got that air purification technique or whatever that was just approved by the FDA, and they did very nice over the last 2 days, giving back some of those gains today. I would imagine the volatility is going to continue on, but yeah, down. What's the percentage loss today? 16% on the day right now. Down about 16%, 15.97. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see what transpires in that. But GameStop holding up on this level of support. We've got, where did this level of support come from? Okay, it was a previous level of resistance. Now it's holding up as a little bit of a level of support here. So right here at the $144 level, $145 level is what is currently being held up on GameStop. You can see this is like, it's crazy how these levels work. Look at this, man. Just towing this line right here. And I did not just put this line on here. And I know that the price of GameStop doesn't care about my line. So watching it just toe that line, going to have to see what happens in terms of whether or not it holds up as support. Yeah, you guys can still see it. Good deal. Thoughts on Farmy, Paul? Well, I think Farmy's got one more day to make sure they regain compliance. I actually have no idea where they're at right now. I've not looked at them at all today, so sitting at $1.12, busting some new all-time lows today. My goodness. I got out back here. Glad I got out back there. And continuing to move lower. They've got about a day. I don't know if they've got till Friday or what. I think they have throughout the rest of this week. If they close below $1 at all the rest of this week, I can almost guarantee you they get delisted. So not only did they hurt everybody with a reverse split, they will be getting delisted if they go back down below $1. So there does seem to be some pretty big support in here at this $1.12 level, $1.11. But I don't know if they're going to be able to maintain it. Man, just a little drop through. A little drop through right there. And I would expect them to close below $1. So it's going to be interesting to see with, 48 hours left before they need to maintain that level. But, I mean, honestly, I'll talk trash about them now that I got out of them. But it's not a surprise to me that they keep hitting new lows. That's all they did the entire time that I owned them. Where are we at? So what is your best choices on crypto? SJ Klaus, man. Very good question. Right now, nothing. Right now, I'm really watching that Bitcoin at $30,000. I'm not pulling the trigger on anything to go in there and buy big. I have averaged down a little bit on Shiba Inu coin, and I have bought into VGX. It's Voyager's token on the Voyager platform. You earn 7% annualized interest just for holding it. I think Voyager is going to do pretty well as a cryptocurrency exchange because they offer a lot of passive income rewards just for holding. No staking involved. There's no locking up your tokens, and you're able to earn that annualized interest just by holding. So I think they're going to do well. I think the exchange is going to grow, and will they be as big as Binance and Crypto.com one day? No idea. But if they are, they're currently sitting on like a $200 million market cap. So they've got a long way to go before they reach those levels. And you could really see some massive gains. So I'm optimistic about them. And, I think all of these cryptocurrencies are going to do very well once the bull market returns. My gosh, Naked HD, get out of here, man. Come on, what are you doing? Just change your name, dude. Don't come in here with these whack names. Diversify. Yeah, diversify. Do it to diversify. Please diversify. It means spread out your investments. Yes, it does. Yeah, never put all of your eggs in one basket. It increases your risk, okay? Yes, if that stock or crypto goes up, you can make a lot more money than if you were diversified. But if it goes down, you have the chance of losing a lot more money than if you were diversified. So a diversification basically reduces your risk. Your portfolio is not tied to one single asset. Good. I still got 12 farming. Nice. Well, Paul, I hope it goes up for you. But if it doesn't, I think they might be getting delisted. I don't know. by a one of every coin, Sam. That is extreme diversification. I wish I could afford to do that, Remy. One of everything. Something has to moon. Cassie, yes it does. But with the amount of coins out there, that would take a lot of money to go out there and buy one of everything. Especially if you're talking about, adding Bitcoin in there. And a lot of these coins that are trading at 1,000 plus a coin and stuff. Not everything is 0.000001. Sup, Claybro, watching from Europe. What's going on, Mr. Barboza? Hopefully you're having a great day today. Watching all the way from Europe. I love the fact that the audience is so international. Guys, the audience used to be, when it was like strictly AMC, used to be 68 to 69% American viewers, USA. Now it's about 58 to 60%. Crypto's worldwide, man. Crypto's worldwide, and a lot of people are interested in crypto that don't just live in the United States. I'm sure your info. Thank you very much, man. Appreciate you. Okay, sorry, I'm still new to crypto and NFTs. Sam the man, you're all good, dude. I had all my eggs in one bucket once and a goat dumped it over, broke all the yolks all over the barn floor. See what I'm saying, Cassie? Cassie's got a perfect example there. Them darn goats knocked the bucket over and broke all of those eggs. That is a perfect example of putting all your eggs in one basket. Put all your eggs in one bucket. Darn goat might come over and knock the whole thing over and just mess all over the barn floor. And then you're going to have to worry about cleaning all your eggs up, and you're not going to have any eggs for the day. So the darn goat killed them. My gosh. Cassie's our little farm girl. AMC sitting at 13.52 right now, still up 3% on the day, 3.5%, but it is pulling back throughout the afternoon here. GameStop, same deal, but doesn't want to seem to drop below this $144 level. It is at the level of support here. We're watching it down 1.74% right now. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 10.67, very, very slow day on Shiba Inu coin. Redbox still treading this line right here, using it as support. If it falls through, we could still come back down here to the $9.50 range before you get your next level. But the Redbox sitting there, looking like it does want to come back down a little bit. We're going to have to keep our eyes on that one, sitting at $9.93 right now. Mullen Auto down 3% on the day at $1.30. CEI was sitting at 60 cents earlier this morning, 59 cents. Currently up 7% on the day. Got a nice little rally going on in CEI. SPY's down 1%, along with the NASDAQ down about 0.65%. So the overall market having a pretty hard day today. And it looks like the overall market reacting negatively to whatever Gary Gensler is saying, because it looked like a steady market all morning. Gary Gensler takes the mic at noon and starts talking, then 12:20. Nice little sell-off in the stock market there. So BBIG down 0.5%, really kind of barcoding right now, sitting at $2.09. Highcroft Mining up 0.77% on the day, dropping from $1.36 to $1.32. So it's I'd say a steep sell-off there, 4-cent sell-off just over the last 5 minutes or so. Netflix still trying to break even, but following. Look at the difference. Can you guys even tell the difference in Netflix and the NASDAQ? Very difficult to tell the difference there. Netflix following the overall market. Gary Gensler not being very productive with our gains today, making us give them all back. And AERC, we got anything going on with AERC? I do not know where we are. AERC sitting at 10.20 right now. AERC sitting at 10.20, down 15% on the day there. My goodness. Juana! My goodness. And Juana doesn't even write anything in the Zoom chat. Juana, tú eres increíble, Juana. I have to learn Spanish, guys. I have to learn Spanish. I don't even know how to say it. Yo necesito learn Spanish. Learn español. Juana, por favor, teach me Spanish. My gosh. I need to learn Spanish, guys. I need to. 8 movement is also worldwide, Clay. Soon we would no, yeah, dude, it definitely is. I think crypto is just slightly more because the audience went from 69 to 59. Hello. Juana, good morning. Good afternoon. Buenos tardes, Juana. So glad to have Juana in here. My goodness, but Juana really does need to teach me Spanish. Thinking about getting some more lunk, but waiting for trade sideways for a little. What do you think? Yeah, so it's extremely volatile. Down this morning to about, 5,000 points per coin, 4 zeros, and a 54 maybe was the low that I saw it at. I don't know exactly where it's sitting at right now, but definitely a risky play, man. If you want to load up with what you're comfortable loading up with, I do think that we could see some more downside, but I'm excited for Luna Classic to be detached from Terra Luna 2.0. That's what I'm excited about. Yes, you have to. Yes, I need to. Yo necesito learn Espanol. Please teach me, Juana. Please teach me. Hola, Juana. Clipper finally made a profit today on IMPP. Did he do that? IMPP sitting at 77 cents the last time we looked when Keith was in here. IMPP, where are you? HI. Oh my god. It was sitting at 77 cents a minute ago. Now it's sitting at 81 cents. IMPP rolling, man. It is not slowing down. IMPP touching 81.50 right now. Very nice gains, guys. Very nice gains in IMPP here. Hopefully, the gains continue for anybody that is in it. But look at this daily chart. I mean, my gosh. When the daily chart looks like that, going from 60 cents to 81.70, it's just at 81.88, 82, like it's just 82 and a half, 82.25. It's just continuing to hit higher highs today. So anybody that's in it, man, I hope you guys make a killing. Just know that it's a very volatile stock and invest accordingly, right? It does seem like we could be getting near levels of resistance in this area. If you're coming in here and looking at some different levels of resistance, we may run into some trouble in this area right here. I'd give it more or less this right here. So the 93 cent area could prove to be a little difficult to break through. 90 cents, 93 cents, or wherever you want to place your line there. Use it as a range, not just a guaranteed marker. But man, it could. I mean, geez, it's still another 10% gain before you hit a level of resistance. So anybody that was trying to chase this trade, you still got a little bit of room if you want. But man, hopefully all of you guys are making some sweet money on that, and you're able to hit some profits. Let's see. Not really. Juana, you're the best woman here. Not really. Sam, Juana is incredible. Sam, don't make other women feel bad, please. Yes, don't do that. Sam, darn Sam, we can't all be as epic as Juana. Yes, you can. Emma D. Yes, you can. Come on, guys. You know you can. Let's go. Loving it. Yes, Keith is still in here, man. Keith is still in here, killing it on his IMPP trade. Dang it, man. Keith told me a couple days ago when it was at 50 cents to buy some IMPP, and I did not. I'm sitting here, it's a risky trade. I don't like dry shipping containers and all that, blah, blah, blah. Well, I do like money, and I'm missing out on making that money. So anybody that's in IMPP, hope you guys absolutely kill that trade, man, and make as much money as possible. Let's watch Redbox and see how it handles this level of support down here at 9.95. Maybe we can keep some action going on there and bounce off that 9.95 level, or bounce off or break down that 9.95 level. We'll see what it does. Juana, thank you for the super chat. Juana, you got the ice cream. I don't know how you know that strawberry is my favorite flavor ice cream, but it is just delicious. And Juana always taking care of me, man, giving me the best ice creams and the best super chats ever. Juana, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate you this morning, or this afternoon. This morning for you, this afternoon for me. IMPP, yerp, yes. Chris is in the chat too. Chris, man, thank you for the super chat. I'm here and still no squeeze. Still will be here till the end. Bought some AMC today. Very nice. Chris, loading up on his AMC, averaging down. That's what I'm talking about, Chris. And Chris, did you get it at the high today, or did you get it before it started running up, dude? I hope you were able to get it before it started running up there. WTF, Pudgy. You know what it is, man. Juana, ice cream for you. Thank you. Juana, it's time for me to get you some ice cream. Come on now. Told my kids, and instead of buying Fortnite V-Bucks, I would use that to buy them Shib. Not gonna lie. I don't know what Fortnite V-Bucks are. I've never played a game of Fortnite in my life, but you probably made the right decision, man. Same no worries. I'm pretty impossible to fit. Perfect, Emma D. I got my cost basis down to 53 cents. Did he do that? Nice on IMPP. Dude, if you're at 53 cents on IMPP and you're rolling up to 88 or 82 cents right now, you're killing it, man. I love it. Clay closes his eyes when he licks. Interesting, Remy. I didn't even know I did that. So, Remy really paying attention right now. Remy really paying attention. I like it. Thank you for making me feel weird about the way that I lick, Remy. I don't know if everybody else feels weird about it, but I do. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I don't feel weird about the way that I lick. Never. AMC sitting at 1362 right now, sitting kind of sideways this morning, along with Shiba Inu coin. Bitcoin maintaining that $144 level. We're going to see if it bounces off or if it decides to come back down through. But the overall market, guys, it does seem to be turning. So we got the NASDAQ sitting down here at a little level of support. We can see the Netflix hitting a little level of support down here. The SPY hitting a little level of support down here. So overall market bouncing off some support levels. And that's where we're seeing the action in GameStop and AMC as well. Really following the overall market trend right now. I would have expected a little bit better, especially if Gary Gensler is saying something positive or saying something that retail investors are going to like. I don't know if getting rid of payment for order flow is necessarily positive, but a lot of people in the AMC and GameStop stocks definitely want to do away with it. And I remember this morning, man, everything was green. Now everything seems to be turning red over here. So thank you, Gary Gensler, for dashing everybody's hopes and putting us back into negative territory. On the other hand, Redbox, soaring, fly. Redbox just never stops, guys. Redbox never stops. I don't understand the gains in Redbox. They never stop there. Juana, thank you for the strawberry ice cream. I really appreciate the strawberry ice cream. I don't know why I like it so much, but it is by far one of the best flavors of ice cream. Thank you very much, Juana. Really appreciate yet another ice cream cone from Juana. Thank you for the super stickers. Clay, don't close your eyes. Juana, for you, I'll do anything. I'll do anything for you, Juana. Thank you for the super sticker and the, oh my God, and the directions on how to lick the ice cream. Oh my goodness. Hey, bro, how do you feel about Robinhood stock? Got out about $10.50. I feel like I can go below $8. Maybe take some of my profit and buy it back in. So did he do that? How do I feel about it? I feel okay about Robinhood stock. I'm not going to lie. But depending on what Gary Gensler is going to do with payment for order flow, dude, it could devastate Robinhood stock. 70% of Robinhood's revenue is from payment for order flow. And with 70% of their revenue being from payment for order flow and Gary Gensler potentially overhauling payment for order flow and doing away with it, Robinhood is likely to take a very large hit. And if Robinhood's going to take a very large hit, man, the stock price is going to take a very large hit as well. So if you are interested, I don't have any Robinhood. I don't really care to own any Robinhood. But if you do want to buy Robinhood, that's what I would be paying attention to. Is what is this overhaul or potential overhaul of payment for order flow going to do? Because, you know, if 70% of your revenue just gets taken away just like that, your company's going to be in pretty hard times. Last ice cream was for Emma. Juana, thank you very much. Juana, you don't have to send every chat in a super sticker or super chat. Juana, thank you very much. That last ice cream was for you, Emma D. I didn't close my eyes. I like it. Juana, thank you very much for that super chat. Guys, Juana, seriously, Juana's incredible. Juana's a good girl there. So please, and thank you, Juana, telling me how to eat my ice cream. Whoo! Now I'm gonna get my hidden blueberry ice cream out without my family seeing. Do it, Cassie. Do it. Go get that ice cream and have some. Difference between Redbox and Redbox W1 is doing well, the other's flying. What is happening? Johnstontown, very good question. I don't know the actual difference. I think one of them is a warrant, and one of them are warrants, and the other one is the actual Redbox company. So Redbox down here in the bottom left, trading around $10 per share. The warrants were around $1 per share or something, up about 70% today, I think. But I think those warrants allow you to buy Redbox at a certain price in the future. It's basically like trading options. I think, based on the RDBXW being on there, I think those are warrants. I could be wrong on that. The first time I've even seen them was this morning. But that's what they look like to me. I could be wrong, but you know that is what it seems like, man. Love you, girl. Yes, me too. Thanks for nothing, Gary. Yeah, Gary Powell Gensler. I like how you put that. Thanks for nothing, Gary Powell Gensler. Ruining the market yet again. See him and he don't close his eyes. Yeah, one up. Well, I didn't close my eyes because you told me not to. Talking a lot, but kind of no decisions. That's what you get, man. That's what you get from this Gary guy. Everybody in a role of leadership these days. That's all they want to do, man. Just talk around the issues. That's all they want to do is talk around the issues. But guys, it is 1 o'clock. I can't believe how fast the time goes. Thank you, everybody, for being in here. Get your names in the chat. We'll do some shout-outs. We will be back a little bit later with the afternoon live stream. Want to thank you very much for all the super chats today. Chris, man, Zachary, thank you guys for the super chats. Really appreciate everybody that sent one. Everybody clicking the like button. Appreciate all of you guys as well. But let's get your names in the chat. We'll do some shout-outs, and then we will be back this afternoon. Emma D. Wanna. This one's just for you. We get, oh, my gosh. Emma D with the ice cream. Ice cream for Emma D. We got the licking stick for Wanna. Oops, moving the camera on this one. Eye contact, one of the most important parts in the licking stick. Wanna, I got you. The lick and the stick. Emma D, thank you for the licking stick for Wanna. You guys are ridiculous, giving other people licking sticks and ice cream. Oh my God. Anyway, Wanna Silva, shout out to you. Thank you very much for being in here. Everything today. Sam Demand, Emma D, Crypto Rocketeer, Zachary, Sam Demand, Wanna Silva, Crypto Rocketeer, Frodo. See you later, Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby, dabbing on him as always. Don't know if AMC Trapper's in here, but he would say peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes and the Shiba Army. Cassie, until the next time. Oh, yes. Emma D, shout out to you. Thank you. Sam Demand, Johnstontown, good afternoon to you as well. Paul Wright, see you later. TCG Investor, see you later. Hemi Life, Paul, Wanna Silva, Bye Guapa. Does that work? Bye Guapa. If I put an A on the end, does that mean see you later? See you later, beautiful. Bye Guapa, right? Bye Bonita? I don't know how to say it. Nufo, AMZ to Pluto. Ahoo, Clowny, see you later. Clinton, see you, and me. You too, Clinton, definitely. D, see you. Sam, we got so many Sams in here. Hopefully, you guys know what time it is, because it seems like you do. Wanna, Nathalian, Sarah DeStecroy, bye-bye, Sarah DeStecroy, see you later. And you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.